In this video, you will learn how to create geographic territories out of your account-based import. So let's say you've imported your file and this is what you see, or something similar, and you're wondering why you don't have any actual colored in shapes representing your sales territories. That's because this is simply a account import. We haven't told the software how to assign the zip codes. So let me give you a demonstration of what just happened. So this is the Excel file that I imported. It's basically an account list. I imported account IDs and names. I placed those into a zip code, and those accounts are also assigned to a territory. So you may think that just because you've done that, you should have those geographic territories. But that's not the case. You first can import your accounts, and those accounts are assigned to a territory. But that hasn't told the software how to assign the zip codes. You then either need to import a zip to territory list like this, so you tell the software to look at these zip codes and assign them to territories, or you can do a cleanup of the alignment. So to do a cleanup of the alignment, you would click on Tools and click on Clean Alignment. You now want the software to look at unassigned zip codes, so you select this first option and click Next. And you want to do it by the total number of accounts. This will assign the zip code to the same territory that those accounts are assigned to. And now let's say there's 10 accounts in one zip code, 6 of them belong to territory 1 and 4 to territory 2. That zip code will be assigned to the majority stakeholder. So since there's 6 accounts assigned to that territory, that zip code will be assigned to that same territory. So now click on Next, and you see that it's now populated the whole map. And yes, it does make a type of jigsaw here appear on the map, and it's because those zip codes are not assigned to anything. There's no accounts in there. So now you would have to go in and fill in those gaps, and you can use the touch align tool to do that. So you click and expand these, or you can run the cleanup tool a second time. And when you do that, you click here on clean alignment, and then you select unassigned zip codes. But the second time you would select closest territory, and this will look at every single zip code that is not assigned and look at the surrounding areas. And then it will assign those unassigned zip codes by proximity to the nearest territory. This is a good starting point. It's not going to be perfect. So you can see some of these shapes have become very large and some colors are matching one another. So you just have to change those by using the recolor tool here. So let's click on change and modify those. So this is what you would have to do if you've imported only accounts and you don't have a zip to territory file to automatically import your zip code assignments.